A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is the human journey from conscious thought to cosmic action. Ladies and gentlemen, nothing in existence stands alone. From the quiet formation of galaxies to the silent rhythm of a breath, creation unfolds within a precise and intelligent order. Science describes this order through energy, space, time, and fundamental laws. Ancient wisdom speaks of the same truth as a sustaining cosmic intelligence. Human life arises within this continuum, not separate from it, but entrusted with a rare capacity, conscious awareness and choice. Modern physics reveals that everything is energy in motion. Biology shows life governed by coded intelligence carried within DNA. Neuroscience explains how perception transforms into thought and thought into action through complex neural pathways. These discoveries echo ancient understanding that intelligence is not confined to the mind, but embedded throughout creation. Three expressions of creation become evident. First, the vast cosmic order, stars, forces, and laws, perfectly balanced yet beyond full human comprehension. Second, living systems where intelligence is embedded within form, plants, animals, and ecosystems, each fulfilling purpose without conscious deliberation. Third, human life, distinct in its ability to reflect, choose, and act with awareness. The human system is a masterful coordination of form and function, brain and body integrated through the nervous system, perception refined by the senses, memory, reasoning, imagination, shaping conscious thought. Yet beyond structure lies a deeper source of power. Five inner dynamos: physical vitality, mental clarity, emotional depth, spiritual awareness, and aspirational intent. When aligned, these generate wisdom, compassion, and courage naturally. Human strength does not arise from control, but from alignment. Thought shaped by experience and knowledge becomes transformative when it resonates with the larger intelligence that governs harmony in nature. From this resonance emerges action, clear, purposeful, and constructive, serving both individual growth and collective well-being. The deeper human purpose unfolds simply to receive energy from existence, to generate energy through awareness and intention, and to share energy through meaningful action. What's the way forward? In the modern world, two paths quietly present themselves. One moves directly from thought to action, driven by impulse and urgency. The other begins with conscious, positive, and purposeful thought, anchored in wisdom, guided by compassion, strengthened by courage, and flows into righteous action. This path does not reject ambition or progress. It refines them through inner clarity. Choice stands at the heart of this journey. Every moment offers it. Through conscious choice, thought matures into responsibility, and action becomes contribution. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the human journey is not a struggle against the universe, but a collaboration with it. When actions arise from aligned thought, supported by trust in the cosmic order, effort transforms into offering, and purpose reveals itself naturally. As Lord Krishna affirms in the revealed Bhagavad Gita, act with clarity and steadiness, free from attachment to outcomes. Established in wisdom, action becomes harmony. In this realization, human life fulfills its highest potential, not merely to exist, but to consciously participate in the unfolding intelligence of creation. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.